In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use ExpressVPN Media Streamer. Media Streamer is ExpressVPN's smart DNS feature, designed for devices that don't normally support VPN apps or direct VPN setup. That includes devices like Apple TV, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X or Series S, Nintendo Switch, and some smart TVs. Instead of encrypting all your internet traffic like a standard VPN, Media Streamer only changes the way DNS requests are routed. In simple terms, that can help you stream smoothly while keeping your full connection speed. To begin, you'll need to register your home network's public IP address with ExpressVPN. On a computer or phone connected to your home Wi-Fi, open a browser and go to the ExpressVPN sign-in page. Log into your account, then complete the email verification step by entering the temporary security code and continuing to your dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for DNS settings. Depending on the layout, this may also appear under account settings. In the IP address registration section, select the option to register your IP address. After that, turn on the setting to automatically register your IP address. This is recommended because many internet providers change your public IP from time to time, and enabling this option helps prevent interruptions later. Next, go back to the top of the dashboard and open the section called Set Up Your Devices. From there, choose either Apple TV or gaming consoles. Scroll until you find the area showing two DNS server addresses. These are your Media Streamer DNS server numbers. Copy them carefully or write them down exactly as shown, since you'll need them for your device setup. Now it's time to apply those DNS settings to your device. If you're using Apple TV, open settings, then go to network. Choose Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending on your connection, and select your active network. Find configured DNS, switch it from automatic to manual, and enter the primary Media Streamer DNS address. When you're done, restart the Apple TV through settings and then system and restart so it clears old DNS data. If you're setting up a PS5, open settings, then network, then settings, and choose configure internet connection. Highlight your current network, open advanced settings, and change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Enter the first Media Streamer address as the primary DNS and the second one as the secondary DNS, then save the changes. On Xbox Series X or Series S, open settings, go to General, then Network Settings, then Advanced Settings, and choose DNS settings. Select Manual, enter the primary